Welcome to our deep sea adventure. Today we are learning ocean animals and their fun sounds. Look, Ollie, it's a dolphin. Dolphins go click, click, and whistle. Next, let's learn about the giant blue whale, the biggest animal in the sea. Whales make deep singing sounds like W-O-O-Woo-Woo. Can you try it?
Abracadabra! Here is a sea crab. Crabs have sharp claws and walk sideways. Crabs make a tiny click-clack sound as they march across the sandy sea floor.
Pip, look at that sea turtle swimming. What sound does a turtle make?
Sea turtles glide quietly through water, making gentle splash-splash sounds with their flippers.
Look, a sea seal. Seals love to bark loud and play.
Seals say O-R-F, O-R-F. Let's all bark like a friendly sea seal together.
Barking playfully. Orf! You did an amazing job learning sea animals and their sounds today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.